Cheap, easy beer taco time.
Frozen chicken breasts. More frozen chicken breasts. Sea salt. Powder. Garlic powder. More garlic powder. Paprika. More paprika. Smoked paprika. Cayenne pepper. More cayenne pepper. More. Good. A bit of leftover ground cumin. Yep. Some ground black pepper. Boop. Beer. Another beer. Cover.
Heat on low.
Set timer for 30 minutes.
Drink stronger, tastier beer.
Open and stab with fork. Take to a cutting board.
Shred with fork. Scrape shredded chicken into pot.
Get in there, you son of a bitch! Get in there! Shred chicken!
Give good stir. Steam or grill shit ton of tortillas. Arrange tortillas for meat. Put meat on shells.
Don't care, Tim. I need my cilantro.
Cilantro. Yeah. Add marinated sweet yellow onions. Specifically, more sweet yellow onions. More sweet yellow onions. Sweet yellow onions. Cheese, if you fucking feel like it. Just one. Cheese.
Enjoy yourself a delicious fucking taco.
Oh, fuck yeah.